So our guy gets his line up, but we got another truck backing down here as well. Oh! What? He must have ran over the curb on the top of the dock because they just dropped and screeched tires. Oh, these jet ski docks down at 79th are always fun. So our crew's coming in on approach. We go for the grab. We've got one of the poles. Walking the bow around. We'll move some fishing poles to gain access. Oh, but we're sliding off. Did my man just push him off? Now he reaches back for the pole, but he put his hand on the pole before that and actually pushed the boat off. And now they may have to go for the line toss. Oh, miss number one. Or did he get it? Oh, maybe I'm wrong. He might have hit it. I thought he missed. But that should pull them over to the dock. So I'm a little confused right now. This truck is backing down. Ooh, he's going to have a close call, though. He's just going to make it. But he's backing down to pick up a boat that's on the dock number 2 next to us over here. And the lane's open. I'm not sure why he's backing up on this side. But this is the crew we just saw pulling a few moments ago. I'm not sure what he's doing. Maybe they're going to move the boat over, I guess. They're going to drive the boat over there and load it. This seems like more effort than he needs to do, but to each their own. All right, so the truck we just washed back up, this is the boat he's retrieving. And the crew's kind of looking over at him like, what are you doing? So maybe they didn't want to mess with the boat that's in front of them. That's why he didn't back up over here. So our crew, I mean, nobody's making any... He tries tossing a line to the guy on the other dock. I guess we're not going to start this up. I mean, it was running. They just pulled it into this slip. But instead, he's trying to toss a line over to the dock. What is going on here? It seems like a lot of effort. It would have been a whole lot easier just to start this bad boy up and move it over. So our guy's winding up the line. Try and send it back across. Let's see if he's got the distance. And there we go. Boom, nails it. Maybe I'm wrong. My man made that toss look pretty easy. When I'm saying it was easier for them to start this back up and get it over there, I might just be wrong. That might not have been the case. My man nailed that throw. So here we go. He's going to try and pull him on. And pull it up, and it's going to come on smooth, it looks like. That is one interesting technique on trying to get your boat across the dock and onto the trailer. And I think that might be the first time I've seen that intentionally done, where there wasn't a mechanical malfunction or anything like that, and they just decided they were going to go dock to dock that way anyway. So our crew coming in on approach, trying to determine which dock they're going to go for. So Cap's slowly taking a look at his available options. What? There's another boat coming out. He's going to have to be careful. He's going to go to the inside of him, which was a unique technique there. I thought for sure you would have stayed to the outside on that. But nothing wrong. Just a much closer call when he could have went way wide. Looks like they're going to come down to this last dock. Cap seems to be in control. Looks pretty good so far. Don't really see any lines or fenders out, though. I mean, you got two people there working with you, Cap. While you're just sitting here waiting, you probably could do that. Trying to figure out what's going on. He's talking to somebody up on the dock, I'm assuming, trying to figure out which one they're going to pull into. So our ski pulls off. I'm assuming he's going to go in on this dock. We've got our assistants out ready to go. There we go. Fender's out. Looking good. My man's equipped. Gotta try and get that stern back around. And we've got 2 hands in the dock. Should be good to go. He's going to get the walk up. Still don't see any lines out, though. So here we go. Cap, he's killed the motor. I'm guessing he's grabbing lines. Or going to hold the dock and try and pull him back in one more time. Not quite. Nobody's still going for lines. What are you guys doing? Maybe Cap's going for him right here. Didn't find what he was looking for. Motor's back on. But still with no lines, bro. So he'll use the motor to bring the stern back around. Let's see if we can get our 2 hands back on the dock again with no lines. There you go. We've got 2 hands on. He should be able to kill the motor again here. There he does. And here we go. He's got going for lines now. We've got to set up this time. What? An anchor? What the? So our crew's coming in on approach. We've got somebody on the dock, line tossed. We should be pretty good to go then. Oh! Smacks the bow. Gotta get a stern line out, guys. Gotta try and get the stern around. Cap's gonna switch it from one side to the other as we'll go vertical and take up pretty much all the docking space. So Wifey's going to get off to try and lend a hand on the assist. Cap gives her the toss. And they should be able to get it pulled over from here. As long as it's not stuck on the bow. And our crew should be good to go. And speaking of good to go, we're going to go ahead and get out of here as well. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, we do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got Boats vs. Haulover, where me and a machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.